Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Contentful for SEO-friendly URL structures, full guide step-by-step clearly. Begin by logging into your Contentful account. Navigate to the Content Models section from the dashboard. Select the content type you wish to configure for SEO-friendly URLs. Click on the Add Field button to create a new field specifically for the URL. Set the field type to symbol and name it slug. In the field settings, enable the option for mandatory. This ensures. Next, adjust the validations for this field to enforce uniqueness. You can do this by adding a validation rule that checks for uniqueness. Once this is done, save the changes to your content type. Now, navigate to the content section within your chosen content type. Create a new entry to test your setup. In the new entry, fill in the title and any other necessary information. Then, manually create a slug based on the title. Ensure the slug is concise and descriptive for better SEO. After saving the entry, copy the slug you just created. Next, navigate to the API section in the Contentful dashboard. Here, you will find the environment and access tokens you'll need for integration. Take note of your space ID and access token for later use. Now, move to your website's codebase where you'll be implementing the routing. Set up a route in your web framework to capture the URLs that will use your slugs. Make sure to define a parameter in the route that corresponds with the slug field. Next, implement a function that fetches content from Contentful based on the slug. Using the space ID and access token, establish a connection to the Contentful API. Utilize the Contentful SDK or any HTTP client to make API requests. When an incoming request matches a slug, retrieve the corresponding content entry. Ensure you handle possible errors if the slug is not found. Once the content is retrieved, render it on your web page. Finally, test the full integration by accessing a few slugs in your browser. Verify that the pages load correctly with the appropriate content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.